guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today's recipe is going to be super easy. I cannot exaggerate. I cannot emphasize I cannot emphasize how easy this recipe is. It's a breakfast banana cookie, as you can see by the title. It's super easy. You can add chocolate chip chunks, like I like to do dark chocolate, raisins, nuts, peanut butter like I did, but it's all up to you. Even if you don't add anything at all, it's perfectly fine. It tastes so good. A tip though is that you should eat these cookies fresh out of the oven, because if you leave it for, it's still good for the next couple of days, but it doesn't taste the same if it's not fresh. Have fun making this. It's super easy. Super easy. Hope you enjoy. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 2 bananas, oats, and an ingredient of your choice. The first step is to peel your bananas, put them into a bowl, and mash them up. Then you're going to take 1 cup of oats and mix it in. So like I said before, my ingredient of choice is peanut butter. So I kind of did half and half for this recipe. I'm not mixing in the peanut butter yet, but I will add it in later. I'm lining my baking tray with aluminum foil, and then I'm spreading some oil on top. Next, you're going to make little ball shapes with the mixture we made, and then kind of flatten it down on the sheet. If you don't like using your hands, you can use a ice cream scooper and then just make sure it's flattened down a little bit. A tip that I have for you that I did not do in this video is separate the mixture into 2 bowls and then add peanut butter in one if you want to do 2 batches like I did. I did not do that, so as you can see, I am going to be struggling with this later. And now for my second batch, I'm just adding in the peanut butter. I'm struggling a lot, but I'm adding the peanut butter and then doing the same things. And now for the peanut butter cookies, I'm just being a little extra and I'm adding little dollops of peanut butter on top of the peanut butter cookies to distinguish between the 2. And finally, put into your oven for 350 degrees for 12 minutes. So I do not want to get copyrighted on this video, but my parents were playing YouTube videos in the background. Shout out to my parents. But basically the reaction was pretty good. This cookie is so easy to make. You should definitely try it and have fun. Bye!